My name is Cordero Alvarado, owner of Generations Plumbing, LLC, and this is my plumbing commission report for Buckle in East Lansing, starting in the men's bathroom. Showing that I do have a trap seal on the floor drain. This is the location of the cleanout in the men's bathroom, just to the right of the men's bathroom lavatory. Now proceeding to the women's restroom. Showing trap seal in the floor drain. Location of the cleanout to the left of the women's bathroom lavatory. I should highlight that each lavatory has a trap wrap and a mixing valve. These are the high-low water cooler units. There is also a floor cleanout underneath the desk in the office on the south side of the building. So what I'm showing right here is my point of tie-in into the main existing line. You can see I am currently running the mop sink faucet and it is draining into the 4-inch PVC main. If we push past this, it will come almost immediately to a bend, which gracefully shows water flowing downhill towards the main sewer. If we continue past this bend, you will see the water is flowing really nicely down towards the outside manhole of the building. We will now be flushing the men's toilet. Next, we'll be flushing the women's toilet. The water is draining and it is clear of obstruction. We'll be now running the men's faucet, the men's lavatory. Men's lavatory is off. Got good flow. We'll now be running the women's lavatory. And there that is.